Hey, I'm the brothers. Yes. They used to Jeremiah and Zachariah, but they're not here. They was here yesterday. I don't know why I didn't do this when they were all here. I don't know why. I'm just gonna take off these. I look ugly, don't I? But come on, let me. I got something to show y'all. My grandma got all these sweets. I'm gonna try one of them. This is what I'm gonna do on the Father's Day. Okay? He was ready for. He was ready for. See, it's chocolate stuff that it's like peanuts and other crap. So I'm gonna taste it. See how I've tasted? I never tasted before, so I've tasted stuff. It tastes like butt. No, wait, hold on. This tastes really good. I eat some more later. Well, I already told you how to do my hair like this. I love it. It's too sweet. I need to stop. Like, this is my Mountain Dew. I always drink this. I don't know why. This thing I learned how to do my face. I can do like this. My face is so much just not always like a fatter face like it is right now. It's not really that fatter face at all, is it? No, it's not. By the way, I'm still single. I don't know why I am. School is starting back. I hate it. Sound like school. Never did, never will. Can't wait till I finish college. I'll be so glad. I'm gonna be a fire in my own house. Has some privacy. No one else watching at all. Thank you. Yay, I'm so happy I get my off. But for now, I'm just a kid, so I'm just gonna deal with my life. I hate it. I hate all my life. Just horrible. It's very horrible. Sometimes good. But anyway, back to what I was saying. I'm gonna sit. Now I'm good. Alright, that's what I was gonna do on the phones. I know it's like a short show right now, but that's all I want to do, because like I don't feel like I should say anything else, because I don't have to say anything else anymore. Do I? Let me check. Well, I'm just saying, I'm still single. I don't got no girlfriend. I am looking for one. I am 13. So, I am looking for one. I am not that desperate, so don't think that. Alright. Alright, see you later. Bye. Bye. Good night. Good night. I just want to say that to y'all, because it's nighttime now. Yeah, it is nighttime. Rainy day. I'm so happy, because it finally rained. I probably was going back to school. Alright. That's all for the funners. Good night, everybody. Bye. Peace.